Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing a new recipe with you, and we're going to be making buffalo chicken chili. You're going to need diced tomatoes. You can use regular diced tomatoes or fire roasted. You're going to need whole kernel corn. The recipe does call for some kind of white bean, like a navy bean, but my store didn't have those, so I just picked up some pinto beans. You're going to need hot sauce or some kind of buffalo wing kind of sauce, chicken broth, ranch salad dressing mix, garlic powder, cream cheese, and chicken breast. And of course you're going to need a crock pot. To get started, I've already sprayed non-stick into my crock pot. I'm going to be adding my chicken breast first. These have already been sliced pretty thin and trimmed, and this is less than a pound of chicken breast. Next, I'm adding a pack of ranch salad dressing mix, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a drained can of corn, a drained can of pinto beans and rinsed, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce. You can use hot sauce if you would like. This is all about personal preference. You can use 1/4 of a cup, you can use 1/2 of a cup. Good to start little at a time because you can't take back out. And lastly, we're going to be adding 2 cups of chicken broth. And later, we'll be coming back to the cream cheese. We're going to give this a good mix. We're going to be cooking our chili on high today for 4 to 5 hours. You can also cook this on low for 8 hours, and we're going to leave this be for 4 hours. After 4 hours has passed, you're going to want to remove your chicken and shred it. You can shred it inside of the crock pot, but I think it will be easier to do it this way. After the chicken has been shredded, you put it back into your crock pot. Here's the step where your cream cheese comes into play. You're going to put spoonfuls of the cream cheese into the crock pot, into your chili. Now you just mix it once again, evenly kind of distributed it through the chili. You're going to cook this another 20 to 30 more minutes, continued on high. Then it will be time to serve this up. This smells amazing. After the cream cheese has plenty of time to melt, give this a good stir. And the chili is ready to serve. This is going to be perfect for one of those chilly, cold, fall or winter days, and I will leave my thoughts in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes, and don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links.